Liam's doing everything right. He decided to become a vegetarian. He ate healthy food. He didn't eat any unhealthy food. But a few days passed, and he suddenly felt lethargic and exhausted. He couldn't concentrate. He felt tingling in his hands. One morning, he forgot where he parked his car. Could it all be from missing one tiny vitamin? Pure vitamin B12. Liam is 27. A graphic designer from Portland. He went 2 years ago, for the animals, the planet, and his health. For a while, everything felt great. Until it didn't. At first he blamed the stress. But the fatigue didn't go away. Then came the brain fog. Then the numb fingers. And finally, the scary part. He started forgetting simple things. A friend suggested he check his vitamin levels. Liam laughed. He thought his friend didn't know what to say, but his curiosity got the better of him. So he blood test. The results were vitamin B12 levels were dangerously low. His doctor told him, "Your body can't store what you don't get." And vitamin B12 doesn't come from plants. Blood is composed of vitamin B12. 1 and B12 produces red and white blood cells and platelets. 2. It is responsible for the division of any cell in the body. 3. Cat supports the nerves and nourishes the brain. 4. The bone marrow that produces blood has the highest cell division rate in the body. And it requires B12 because it is in a constant state of division. Since blood has a lifespan, red blood cells die after 3 months. White blood cells and platelets also have a lifespan. If B12 is not present, the cell cannot divide, leading to excessively large cells, which are called macrocytic anemia, because they are large cells. Deficiency in B12 causes problems in the nervous system, such as damage or taking apart from the spinal cord, which provides movement or gives us deep sensation. Because we have deep sensation and superficial sensation. And the spinal cord is responsible for giving us deep sensation. Without it, 1. Your body is slowly breaking down. 2. If a person has anemia, their red blood cells are lacking but oversized. 3. Blood cells and platelets are deficient because their bone marrow is not functioning. 14. They have problems with the digestive system, such as acidity or bloating. Here is the problem. If you are a vegetarian, you are at risk. Hair loss, weak vision, weight loss, back pain. That is why vitamin B12 is very, very important. B12 is found in meat, fish, eggs, dairy. Plant foods don't make it. Only fortified foods or supplements do. Vitamin B12. It is not taken orally but through injections because your stomach may be weak or sick, so it does not absorb vitamin B12. However, the injection has a good result, because it delivers it directly to the blood. Its benefits. 1. It enhances and improves memory and cognitive ability. 2. In adults, B12 is very important in the metabolic process, meaning it converts food into energy, which is why many people feel tired. 3. B12 is very important for pregnant women and fetal development. Pregnant women must pay attention to its levels, but under medical supervision. 4. It reduces homocysteine levels, which is an amino acid. If it increases excessively, it raises the risk of heart disease. What causes an increase in vitamin B12 in the blood? 1. Liver cirrhosis and liver problems may affect the storage and breakdown of vitamins, which can cause a buildup of vitamin B12. Viral hepatitis. 2. Certain types of cancer, particularly blood cancers, because some types of cancer can raise B12 levels. 3. Kidney failure can cause vitamin B12 to accumulate in the blood and increase its levels. Symptoms of increased vitamin B12 in the blood. Although this vitamin is important for the body, its excess can lead to high blood pressure or low potassium levels in the blood, which can cause muscle weakness and cramps, and it may cause redness in the face due to increased blood flow to the face. B. It may cause itching in the skin. Some people might experience itching or a rash. C. It can lead to digestive problems such as diarrhea. D. May cause an increase in blood volume and the number of red blood cells, which can lead to issues in circulation. E. Some people might feel difficulty swallowing food or drink. F. It can change the color of urine to dark or deep. G. It may cause tingling. H. Numbness in the extremities. I. Nausea. J. A persistent feeling of wanting to vomit. K. It can cause the appearance of spots on the face or body. You must consult a doctor to determine if your body really needs vitamin B12, what type is suitable for you, and what the appropriate dosage is. People with nerve disorders should avoid using vitamin B12 because it may cause severe deterioration in vision, leading to blindness. Liam started taking B12 supplements. Tiny tablets. Big difference. In weeks, the fog lifted. His energy came back. He could think clearly again. And now? He still eats plant-based, but smarter. Don't wait for symptoms to scream. Listen to the whispers. Check your B12 levels, especially if you're vegan, vegetarian, or over 50. Stay aimed, stay sharp, and stay healthy. Subscribe for more health stories that matter. Finally, let me test your knowledge about vitamin B12. Give me 3 elements produced by vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is responsible for 1. Producing blood cells. 2. Dividing body cells. 3. Deep sensation in humans. Give me 3 sources of vitamin B12. One. Meat. 2. Fish. 3. Eggs. In the end, join the channel to find more details about vitamins.